Ever wondered why chicken is a staple in many diets around the world? Could there be more to it than just its delicious taste? Well, indeed there is. Chicken, especially the breast, is packed with an array of nutrients that are beneficial to our health. Chicken contains a significant amount of protein. In fact, a single serving of chicken can provide about half of a person's daily protein requirement. This high-quality protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair, and it also helps to keep our immune systems functioning optimally. But it doesn't stop there. Chicken is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin B3, also known as niacin, which plays a vital role in the body's energy production and also helps keep our skin and nerves healthy. Chicken also provides a good amount of vitamin B6, which is essential for brain health and plays an important role in converting food into energy. What about minerals, you may ask? Well, chicken has those covered too. It's a great source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps to combat oxidative stress in the body and supports heart health. It also contains phosphorus, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth, and zinc, which aids in immune function and wound healing. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: fat. While it's true that chicken, particularly the skin, contains fat, most of it is unsaturated fat, which can actually be good for heart health when consumed in moderation. But wait, there's more. Chicken is relatively low in sodium and is free of carbs, making it a great choice for those who are watching their salt intake or following a low-carb diet. To recap, chicken is not just a tasty dish, but a nutrient powerhouse. It's packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and even some heart-healthy fats. It's also low in sodium and carb-free, making it a great choice for a variety of diets. So the next time you enjoy a chicken dish, know that you're doing a lot of good for your body.